In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of bullets in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. Start by selecting the bullets in your list. By selecting the bullets, you're not going to be selecting the text. From here, click Home at the top of the ribbon, navigate to Font, then navigate to the actual font color, select with downward arrow, then navigate to the color you wish to change the bullets to. For example, this turquoise. Select it once. Your bullets will now change color, but your text won't have. If you want every bullet to have its own different color, we can do this. First, we got to format each paragraph mark individually. So I'll talk you through it, but it can be done. Go to Home at the top of the ribbon. Then we're going to select the Show and Hide tool. It looks like a backwards P. Select it once. And these will now appear next to your items in your list. From here, I'm just going to select the backward P. Give it a couple of clicks and it should now be selected. Then go to the Home tab at the top of the ribbon, go to the font color, and for this I'm going to change it to red to match the text. I'm going to select red, and you'll have noticed that the backwards P, the Show and Hide symbol, and the bullet point have now changed to the color red. So if I take off the Show and Hide tool, select it once, the bullet point remains red. So as a reminder, double select the Show and Hide tool, go down to your next item, give the Show and Hide tool a couple of clicks, make sure not to highlight the text or the bullet point, then navigate to font color, change it to blue, then go back to the top here and unselect this. Then simply repeat for the remainders in your list. As you can see, each bullet represents the color of the text next to it. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about formatting lists and bullets, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.